Israel told the UN nuclear watchdog on Friday that it would prefer a diplomatic resolution to the standoff over Iran's nuclear program but could take independent action, reiterating a long-standing veiled threat to launch preemptive war. The warning to visiting International Atomic Energy Agency chief followed calls by Western powers on the IAEA Board of Governors to rebuke Tehran for failing to answer questions on uranium traces at undeclared sites. That dispute has further clouded so far fruitless attempts by negotiators to resurrect a 2015 Iran nuclear deal that former U.S. President Donald Trump quit in 2018. While it prefers diplomacy in order to deny Iran the possibility of developing nuclear weapons, Israel reserves the right to self-defense and action against Iran to stop its nuclear program if the international community fails to do so within the relevant time frame. A statement from Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett's office said. Iran's chief nuclear negotiator told Norway's NRK that Israel can only attack Iran in its dreams.